Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing how to quickly make your own 3D human figurine with just a regular photo. No expensive scanners or tricky software, AI does the work. Here's the finished product. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Let's jump in! Step 1. Use HiFer.ai. Grab our tool, HiFer.ai. Log in. Click. Generate model font image. Drag your front-facing photo into the upload area. Then hit the green. Generate. Button. Step 2. Get your 3D model watch. The progress bar, I will auto add textures. The front is super accurate. Side details have tiny errors, but it's still great. Step 3. Print it. Export as STL. Import the file to slicing software. Send to your printer. We'll show the process in a quick time-lapse. After 1 hour, ta-da! Your custom figurine is done. From 2D photo to whole blood 3D model, easy and fun. HiFer.ai link, try it now. HiFer.ai video stamps. Start this? Hit like. Comment what you'd make your own figurine. A gift? Subscribe for more 3D AI tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.